Yo, what's up, everyone? So, you've just cashed a check, and you're stoked to get your hands on that cash. But hold up, there's this thing called a hold that your bank puts on it, right? Annoying, huh? And if you're using Chime, you're probably wondering, how long does Chime hold a mobile check deposit? Well, let's dive into that. I get it. You need that money ASAP. Whether it's rent, bills, or that new pair of sneakers you've been eyeing, you want access to your cash, stat. And mobile check deposit seemed like the perfect solution, right? Quick, easy, and convenient. But then you realize it's not instant. There's this waiting game, and it can be frustrating. So, why do banks hold checks in the first place? Well, it's all about risk management. They want to make sure the check is legit and that the money is actually there before they let you spend it. It's like when you order something online and it says, processing. They're checking to see if your card is good and if the product is actually in stock. Same thing with checks. Now, how long does Chime specifically hold your mobile check deposit? Well, it depends. Generally, they hold checks for a few business days. But this can vary based on a few factors. The amount of the check, bigger checks usually mean longer holds. Your account history, if you've been a good customer with Chime, you might get shorter holds. The type of check, some checks, like government or payroll checks, might have shorter holds. But let's be real, waiting a few days can feel like an eternity when you need that money. So, what can you do to speed things up? Well, there's not a whole lot you can do, but here are a few tips. Make sure the check is filled out correctly. Any errors can delay the process. Endorse the check properly. Sign the back and right for mobile deposit only. Take clear pictures. Make sure both sides of the check are visible and there's no glare. And while you're waiting, you can always check the status of your deposit in the Chime app. It'll give you an update on when your funds will be available. So, to sum it up, Chime, like most banks, holds mobile check deposits for a few business days. It's annoying, but it's a necessary evil to protect you and the bank from fraud. But don't worry, your money will eventually be there. Just be patient and follow the tips I gave you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances in check.